Hey foodies, let me show you how I made this sumptuous meal. Okay, so we're going to start off by chopping our meat. Okay, in this case I'm using beef, and so I'm going to cut it in this very beautiful shape that you see it, and this is how much we have in there. Now don't forget to add some sausages to it, and the shape and size I'm going to chop it is solely dependent on you. And so this is how I'm going to chop my sausages as well, and I'm going to just mix all of them together in a bowl and add my seasonings to it. This is my seasoned paste that I made: ginger, some chicken spice, and some seasoning cube, and some salt as well. I'm going to list all these ingredients in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. I'm going to mix all of this together and then go ahead, marinate it, cover it up, and then go ahead and chop my vegetables I'm going to use. I'm going to start off with the peppers, and I have in here some red pepper, bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, and some green bell pepper as well. Chop this into smaller and beautiful shapes that I want it, and as also you want it. That's what we have. And so with my boiling water, I'm going to add some oil and then some salt to it, then add in my macaroni or my spaghetti. Okay, allow this to submerge into the water and then boil so well. In the different bowl, I'm going to mix in some sauces. I have in some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and some other pepper sauce. I'll write in the description box. I'll set that aside and check on my spaghetti, which was quite soft. Like I tested it, and so I don't want it to be all mushy, and so I took it out of the fire and added some cold water just to allow it to be a little bit hard and all of that. Now let's go ahead and make the main dish. Okay, with some oil in the saucepan, I'm going to fry it, and because I want it faster, I'm just going to cover it up. And when we came back, this is what we have. Guys, I went on to add in the sausage because I didn't mix that. You know, the sausage is quite softer than the meat, and so the sausage was the last thing to add to this. And when they all fried beautifully and nicely, I went in just to add my my green peppers green peppers to it, and some onion and some more oil as well. And please, you have to forgive me here for my visuals, which is my video, because I don't know what happened here. I just didn't see what's going on, but just know that I added some chili flakes to it. I went in with my spaghetti and also the sauce I mixed together, and then I stirred everything together in the bowl 10-8, and you want to just smell what is going on here. I went in more of the sauce because it wasn't enough, and of course I was going to use it, but you have to add it bit by bit. Don't forget to add in some salt, some seasoning cube as well. And guys, this was it. It was done and dusted. Like, it tasted perfectly, because we're making spaghetti, but this method was the bomb. Like, it was so good, and I want you guys to try. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. And yes, as I'll meet you in the next video, don't forget to say hi in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, and have a lovely, beautiful day. Have a nice day until we meet the next video. Bye.